You found Marie-Claire.
Good morning, how are you?
Lekker and you.
Is that
Fine,
your name,
thanks.
Marie-Claire?
Yes.
Okay, I'm Wade and that's McCurrach.
Nice to meet you.
You good? It's going to be a very interesting one.
Big one, can it go in there?
Yeah.
Make it fit, Steve.
Yeah, if it doesn't fit for today. Okay.
What are those? So Nick, as an agriculturalist, you're happy with all the livestock on board?
I'm happy with all the livestock on board. I just hope the livestock is okay with the sideways turning. All right, done. Tummy and tits out.
All looking good, smiles, and guys looking a bit sweaty, eh?
Yeah, you got to huddle, eh?
Not too close. I'm leaking something. Highest, fastest flying tortoises in the west.
Ever.
South, east, west, yeah.
Somewhere. Somewhere in the country.
Cheers, gents.
Cheers,
Well,
big fans of
thanks so
turn
much.
on.
Happy landings and send us the down and safe at Quandwe, please.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll do.
Okay.
Anyone with a name?
So we do all indigenous wildlife. We're fully permitted to do all mammals, birds, reptiles, amphibians, and invertebrates.
As the name itself denotes what goes on. FreeMe.
There you go.
Yeah.
FreeMeWildlife.
Yes.
It's
Yeah.
no domestic animals, no agricultural wildlife to get it free.
And it's professional, science-based wildlife rehabilitation is what we do. So we don't pet, tame, name, play with animals. It's keeping them wild all the way through. Lots of red tape, lots of drama, lots of all sorts, and finally now we can send them home.
Just a fantastic feeling getting them back home.
So yes, a long, slow walk to freedom. Eh? They are very long-lived animals. So the person who actually picks this little thing up in the game reserve and thinks, oh, cute, it's going to live longer than them. The tortoises today, it's beneficial to get them to the release site as fast as possible and effectively as possible, which then is minimal stress on the animal itself. So this is the kind of help we need getting these animals back where they belong. And there's no one better to use than this group of guys that back in here. It's incredible.